Hello, fellow travelers. If you're looking for a city in Japan that truly captures the spirit of modern life, while honoring its deep-rooted history, then let me introduce you to Osaka. This isn't just a place, it's a feeling. From the moment you arrive, you'll notice a different kind of energy here. It's vibrant, it's welcoming, and it's unapologetically fun. The locals greet you with a warmth that makes you feel right at home, a friendly spirit that defines the city's character, and every corner holds a new discovery just waiting for you. Osaka has this incredible ability to blend the old with the new in a way that feels completely natural. You can spend your morning exploring ancient temples, and then find yourself in the afternoon amidst towering skyscrapers and futuristic shopping malls. Known as Japan's kitchen, or Tenka no Daidokoro, its reputation for amazing food is legendary. But Osaka is so much more than just a culinary destination. It's a hub of culture, art, and entertainment, offering something for every kind of traveler. One of the greatest joys of visiting Osaka is indulging in its world-famous street food. There's no better place to do that than the Kuromon Ichiba market. You'll be tempted by fresh seafood, grilled meats, and colorful pickles. This is the place to try local specialties like takoyaki, octopus balls, and okonomiyaki, those savory pancakes. The vendors are friendly and passionate, often cooking right in front of you. Just grab a bite, find a spot, and enjoy the delicious chaos. Beyond the food, Osaka offers world-class entertainment. Step into Harry Potter, race in Mario Kart, or face off against dinosaurs. It's a full day of excitement. Choosing the right neighborhood to stay in can really shape your experience in Osaka. The city offers fantastic options for every type of traveler. For first-time visitors, I often recommend staying in Namba. From here you can walk to Dotonbori, Shinsaibashi, and Kuromon. If you prefer a more sophisticated hub, then Umeda is an excellent choice. It's home to major stations, high-end stores, and great restaurants. For a trendy, off-the-beaten-path stay, consider Hori for chic cafes and design shops. Nearby, Amamura offers vintage stores, record shops, and street art. From five-star hotels to budget business hotels and ryokans, Osaka has options for every budget. Choose the vibe you want, and the city will deliver the rest. Getting around Osaka is surprisingly easy thanks to its efficient public transportation. The subway network is your best friend. I highly recommend purchasing an Ikaka card, a rechargeable smart card. You tap it at the gate and avoid buying single tickets for every ride. While the subway is fantastic, don't forget to explore the city on foot. Walking lets you stumble upon hidden gems, charming shops, and local restaurants. Pack comfortable shoes. A little preparation goes a long way. Learn a few phrases, like arigato and sumimasen. Carry some yen. Use convenience store ATMs like 7-Eleven when needed. Embrace local customs. Bow politely and stand on the right side of escalators in Osaka. Dive in, be present, and let Osaka's energy guide you. It's a journey that will stay with you long after you return home.